bag of words work. We have to document with two different sentences. What bag of words does, it create a dictionary for all unique words present in both document. And count the number of times each word occur. Or simply you can say that bag of word is just finding the frequency of each unique word present in both sentence. In practice we use binary bag of words. In this we do not count the frequency of words. We just place 1 if the word appear in review or else 0. We use count vectorizer, which is a package present in scikit-learn to perform bag of words. The code for implementing bag of words is very simple. We just have to import the package count vectorizer which is present in scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a platform which provides enormous packages and libraries for machine learning. After importing count vectorizer we just fit our final text data in count vectorizer. The problem with anagram bag of words is, for example, there are two sentences, one is positive and another is negative. For example, one sentence is the pasta is tasty. Another sentence is the pasta is not tasty. After removing stop words both the sentence will be reduced to pasta tasty. But this is what we don't want, as both the sentence are opposite from each other, so this is a drawback of bag of words as both the sentence become same. To overcome this we use bigram n-gram bag of words. In this we count 2 words or 3 words at a time. As shown in the example. In anagram 1 word is taken at a time. In bigram 2 words are taken. In n-grams n number of words are taken at a time. Now if we take our previous example, then both the sentence will be considered as different. The code of bigram and n-gram count vectorizer is similar to anagram count vectorizer. I will share the code in description box as well as comment section. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please do like this video, share, and subscribe to our channel.